Hello and welcome back to my channel, Charlie B's Business, with me, Charlie B. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can build an email list for free. If you don't understand the power of a list, then you haven't heard the term that the money is made in the list. So many people out there talk about it, and every business out there, successful business out there, has an email list of customers that they had in the past, and loyal customers that are willing to buy from them when they have new offers. It's such a powerful way of generating revenue and building a successful business. So if you're looking to build a successful online business, maybe you're in a course at the minute and they're not teaching you about email marketing, then stop right now. Should be the first step, is setting up your email marketing campaigns, getting everything set up, and start building your list so you can start capturing people's information. Because if you're selling to people, even if it's through Facebook organic marketing, and you're not capturing their information, their email addresses, then you're missing potential sales in the future from those customers, because if they buy from you, then they're much more likely to buy from you in the future. So it is a vital part. The money is made in the list, and it's absolutely vital that you start building a list now. So I'm going to show you how you can build it for free. There is software involved in the process, but most of the softwares out there give you free trials. The one I'm going to talk to you about today gives you a 14-day free trial anyway. So yeah, it's easy to do. So I'm going to jump over. First off, what you need to understand is the profit cycle. And so what is the profit cycle? First off, it's all about traffic. The first thing you need to do is drive traffic. And what we're talking about traffic is customers, it's leads, whatever you want to call it, but it's getting people to your point where you're going to capture their information, because we're talking about building a list here today. So you can get your traffic from all over the place. You know, you can, if you've got a website, you can use that. You can use social media, you know, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. There's multiple different ways to do it. Loads and loads of ways to drive traffic. But what you're going to do is you want to drive them to a capture page, and this is where software comes into play. You can go and probably do it for free in some forms, but you know what you're going to do is then start trading time. And what I want to do is show you how you can do it for free to start with. But you're still using the software. You have to understand that. But there's a 14-day free trial. Some softwares out there probably give more. The one I use is Go High Level, and I use that because it's fantastic. I love it, and not just that, but it's a complete package, and it has your email marketing incorporated into the software. And to get that working, all you need is an account with Mailgun, which is an email provider, email marketing provider. You get an account with them, and you get 6,500 emails per month for free with a free account. So again, it doesn't cost you anything. You can send 6,500 emails to your list that you're building, and it costs you nothing. But you're going to drive people to a capture page, and to get them to put their information in, you're going to give them some for free, and what we call that is a lead magnet. So what you can do is you can go onto Google, you can type in PLR for free or something like that, and there's loads and loads of websites on there where you can go on there, you can go and download PDF documents, ebooks and guides and blueprints and all that sort of stuff for free. Be very careful when you're doing it, because there are limitations normally on what you can do with them, but you can give them away for free. I don't recommend that process, because one, the market can get saturated with those products, and two, I don't tend to find them very high quality. They tend to be pretty low quality products. And what you want to focus on when you're building an email list is you've got to build a relationship with these people. If you want to sell to them, you need to build a relationship, and they need to know, understand you, and they need to trust you. And by giving them a low quality product like that, then you're going to impact that relationship you're going to build. So that is a free way. The reason I'm mentioning it is because I'm talking about how to do it for free, and that's a free way to get a PDF document. It can get you started, at least, you know, if you want to do it that way. But what I recommend to everyone is you find someone that's going to give you all of that stuff for free when you join a program. The program that I joined back in 2019, PWA, I've done reviews of it
on this channel, so go and check that out. It is an awesome program, and for $7, it costs you $7 to buy, and he gives you access to all of his documentation, all of his ebooks that he's created, and he's got books on funnels and email marketing, all sorts of stuff, and he gives you access to that to use for free for you to put on your capture pages, to capture their information and to give away as lead magnets. He allows you to do that for the measly price of $7 to buy into his program. It's worth that just for the lead magnets he's going to give you, and there's loads of stuff he gives you on top of that. But once you've got them into that capture page, you want to drive them to an offer. Again, this is where something like PWA comes in handy, because you can then use your affiliate links within that program. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, please check out my other videos, because I talk about it more on there. But you're going to use your affiliate links to then make sales. But if you're an e-commerce business, or dropshipping business or something like that, you're going to drive them onto the product you're selling. Maybe you're an Amazon associate and you're selling, you're promoting a set of headphones or something. You're going to put the link in there for that. You're going to drive them straight to that. But this is where the magic happens, guys. So you're going to capture their email. You're going to put them into an email list. And this is where you normally need an autoresponder software, which costs you additional money every month. It's usually subscription models, and you have to pay for them every month. But this is where the Go High Level is so good, because you can use Mailgun. You can integrate Mailgun with it, and like I said, you get 6,500 emails per month for free. The link for the Mailgun service I'll stick below here, so just go and check it out. Like I said, it's free up to 6,500 emails. That's plenty of emails to get you started, guys. So go and check it out. So that is the basics of how to build an email list. You've got traffic, you're driving them into a capture page. You're going to give them something for free, so that they put their email address in. I'm sure you've done it yourself in the past. You're going to make sure you capture that email address into some sort of software that will hold on to it, so you can send them offers in the future. So that's what you want to do. You can send email promotions to them when you have new product releases, when you have new affiliate programs that you're promoting, whatever it may be. You can then email them, and you can keep doing so. But the thing that everyone misses when you're building an email list, it's not just about capturing people's email. You need to build a relationship with these people. They're people at the end of the day, on the end of the emails. Give them value first. Always give value. Give them as much value as possible. Build those relationships with people, and they'll respect you for it, and they'll be much more likely to buy. So anyway, I hope that's helped you understand how to build an email list. Again, the links for Go High Level, the software I use, is going to be below this video, and the links for Mailgun services, which is completely free. The Go High Level is a 2-week, 14-day trial for free, so get stuck in. And if you've got any questions, comment below, reach out to me. I put all my details in the links below this video, so you can reach out. I love the software, I really do. I used to use ClickFunnels. I've moved over to there now because I just found it a much more complete package. And with the Mailgun services, you get 6,500 emails for free every single month. You can't go wrong. When you start to build a list and you want to do it for free, there's no better way. So if you have any questions, just reach out. And obviously, part of this, you need to understand how to build a capture page. And I'm going to be putting a video out this week on how to build a sales funnel, and the first part of that is the capture page. So make sure you check that out, guys, so that you understand how to do it, and you can jump into that 14-day free trial and go and build your first capture page. Start capturing people's emails, start building your list, and start generating some real revenue for your business. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, and you want to check out the next video, which is going to be my how to build a sales funnel, just hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I don't want you to miss it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please stick a comment below. Any questions, any recommendations, anything at all, stick a comment below, or reach out to me on Facebook. The link for that is below the video as well. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.